Eden Tree, who are we? Eden Tree, we started very small. We didn't have capital. I started Eden Tree with £200. I didn't borrow. I didn't go to the bank. But with that £200, we now have a business that we are employing about 80 people. And I started with two. So when people say, oh, we need capital, we need lots of money, that's not true. What you need is confidence in yourself. What you need is to know that I can do it. The fact that I'm a woman does not mean that I don't have a brain. Does not mean that I don't have my two hands. Does not mean that I cannot work. I can work. I can do it. So you have to be determined. You have to be disciplined, and you can do it. So we started with planting, and then we approached supermarkets, and of course, I'm in the agricultural sector. Unfortunately, what has happened in this sector is a lot of the work has been left to women in the villages who plant, and they don't really have extensive business backgrounds. But there is agribusiness. Absolutely, agribusiness. What we have done is we have cultivated, we actually have outgrowers who grow for us, and we've turned it into a business. We distribute, we package, so we start from A and we go all the way to Z. So therefore, young women, those who are in universities, please, it is not only going to the bank, wearing your suit. That's not the only job available. You can start a business, and it can be agri-business. There are not enough of us around in the agri-business. There aren't enough women. So please, think of this as a possible career. We've had challenges. One of the top challenges, of course, is finance, which, of course, I'm sure every business goes through as well. However, we overcome our challenges. The picture there shows some of our outgrowers. We could not have done what we did without outgrowers. And we recognize that we also have to help them grow, because if they don't grow, then we don't grow our business. So they are vital to our business. We have outgrowers in Accra, Atadan, in Sawam, various places. These are the staff of Eden Tree, and I also try to inculcate integrity, truthfulness, because that's also one of the problems that I find that we have in Ghana. Nobody wants to work, but they want to get paid. You know, they want to sleep, wake up, and get paid. But that is not how it works. You must work. And when you work, you will get there. You will be successful if you are diligent. After establishing ourselves for 18 years to prove that we can do it and we are consistent, now we have a partner come in to partner us at the stage where we now need to grow to the next level. So this is what our partner that's coming into our business has brought us. We are putting up a new modern processing plant. Therefore, this is to say, ladies, you can do it. And it is up to us. Nobody else can tell us what we can do and cannot do. We have to look at ourselves in the mirror, tell ourselves, I can do this. What Obama can do, I can do. What Hillary Clinton can do, I can do. We can do it. So let us start and stop listening to all the negativeness that is around that, oh, as a woman, you can't do this, you can't do that. It is not true. we can do it. I am an example of it. Thank you.